Okay, we're ready to go.
Okay. Hello, guys.
Milo, are you going to hold Daddy's hand?
Hello, guys. Today is the second day, March 8th. Please wish Cassie happy birthday in the chat.
Very nice. All right, thank you, gentlemen. We have the gentleman behind the closet holding the door open for us.
And Rosie's gonna come today. Rosie's coming with us today.
Okay, very nice.
So before we go to the pool, we have to put Rosie back in the room.
Okay.
Or maybe she could be under the stroller. Rosie says hi to you guys. Right now, Dad is in the room. And I'm going to do the rope course today with my swim shoes. Look at them and now they're glowing.
Very nice.
So is dresses along in pool? Does Mom dresses along in pool? No, they don't belong in the pool. Mom, we can scan the note more if we have to. Look, it's a lift out.
Pretty cute. Did we want to start here or?
I wanted to get a wand.
Do we just want one drink or? Milo, come look at the donuts. Pick one out. Tell Daddy that that's what you want. I guess I'll take an old fashioned. Or I'll either take either an old fashioned or the glazed blueberry. What's your interest? coffee-wise? I haven't figured that out yet. Do you want, like, see the zero sugar? Do you want, like, either, like, the sunset or the blackberry tangerine or something? Let's do that, because I don't really understand these ones. Or do you want, instead of a donut, this, like, muffin option? I don't know if it's like a brown... Oh, you are? Okay. Very nice. Milo, how's your donut? What, buddy?
I'm eating this powder.
You're eating the powder? Very nice.
I would definitely get powdered donut again.
Very nice. I put on the tracking.
It's yummy. 10 out of 10. You should definitely try this when you go with lunch. And please like and subscribe.
You're making a mess, sir. All right, eat your donut.
Maxie's here. She says hi. It's a great place to be at with lunch.
Is that yummy?
Baby Marie is having a good time eating. How about you go see? Hello, guys.
Tell them what you did yesterday.
Oh. I want to take a picture.
Talk about the slides.
Yesterday, I went to the water park. I don't know if Mom filmed that, but I went to the water park, and then I played in the wave pool. It was very fun because the waves were pushing me. And then I was scared, but I tried the big red slide and it was fun. And I tried the big yellow slide and it was fun. And then after that, I did the yellow slide one more time. Oh, we also did lazy river. After lazy river, I did the slides, and then I did the yellow slide, and then I took a shower and tried to fall asleep, but it was hard to fall asleep because it's not easy for me to fall asleep in new places. Go back.
Marie's right here and she's fine. You can see her.
I see her.
Yeah, you see her.
Little bit. I'm gonna do the ropes today. Why is it not following? It's not following me. It stopped following me.
Yeah, because I wanted Milo also to be in the shot.
I'm gonna try to do the obstacle course today.
The water obstacle course?
It's not a water obstacle course, it's a rope
one. Well, the water park has a water one too.
Really?
Yeah.
Can we go there?
Yeah.
There's also an outdoor part of the water park. Like an outdoor pool. What is this? Dad, what is this?
It's the mango drink you wanted.
Yeah.
Oh,
What did you get?
we have the sunset. You have the mango protein refresher.
Oh, Milo, you can have a sip. Oh. Well, you should have asked for one when we were ordering. Hello guys, I'm going to try a mango refresher. It's not bad.
You can share with Maleficent just like me and Mom are sharing. Try it.
Do you want some water? Milo. 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 Want to go off the back? Milo, do you want to try some of ours?
What does yours taste like? What does yours taste? What does yours taste like? Come on. I want chocolate drink.
Well, possibly it's only 20 calories, has B vitamins, 145 milligrams of caffeine, and 0 sugar. I don't know what we're working with, but okay. Hold on. What? I guess we could, sure.
How many people are doing ropes?
Just 2.
You too? Shoes are good. Okay. And then were we just buying or did you have any passes? So it'll be $29.98 for 2 of you. And with the
Not bad.
card or room charge?
Do you need me to hold him?
Yeah.
Buy ahead of time is ropes course, but this will be good one time, any time of the day. But be careful around 8:50 p.m. That's when we start closing the ropes course. But when you guys are ready, take that around to the second gate.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. So we can go use the bathroom first? Okay.
Can we do golf course first?
Weren't there bathrooms over here somewhere? Oh yeah, I see them. What is he saying about golf?
He wants to do the golf.
Okay.
Stairs that bring you down.
Once you get where? Oh.
Stairs down. Just come back in where you started.
Oh, okay. It's for mining. Mining. The shimmer tree. Interesting. See, I wouldn't mind doing the magic stuff with them. You excited to do the rope course?
Yeah. And I'm going to be in front of Mommy so she can film me. But I'm a little scared though because I'm worried I will fall.
Yeah. Are we gonna be wolves and goats and be sturdy up there? Brave?
I'm going to be a wolf.
You're gonna be a wolf?
But this thing spins.
Oh, leave it alone. Leave it alone.
We moved on to Ten Paw Alley. There's 4 people.
It's your. If you could go first.
down. Oh, where'd the pucks go? Is it
Go again. Go again.
I got all of them.
Nice. Good job. Again. Here. Wait for the pins to come up. And you gotta throw the ball. Down the pins. You gotta throw the ball at the pins. But on the ground. So roll it. Roll it really hard. I'm right here. Kind of like what you did. You gotta roll it hard.
There's 6 pins left. I think he got 6 pins left. 6. He got 6. Now it is Dad's turn.
He doesn't understand the concept of throwing it. He doesn't understand the concept of throwing it hard.
No, it's Dad's turn. Up. Whoopsie. You got one.
It's weird with such a small. It's weird with such a small. She did better than I did. She did better than I did.
Now it's your turn. Here, I'll film you.
No, I got it.
We gotta do it one person at a time.
You got one.
Yeah, I know.
So far, me and Milo are winning.
It's gonna reset it. So you get one more.
Now, roll the ball.
I did the same thing. I only got one. You got more than I did.
Now it's my turn.
Now it's your turn.
Now, it's time to roll. I only got one.
So, okay, you gotta go again.
I saved one. Nice job.
You gotta do the same way.
8 pins.
Flipped out because I'm supposed to do it himself. So again, do it hard.
Oh, no, no.
Well, now it's Dad's turn.
Still going.
Milo didn't get anything.
Good at hitting the side, apparently. My aim is on.
Try to go in the
I
middle.
am aware. Alright, stay there.
I want to see you knock down. You're a told you. Now it's Mom's turn.
Sit down in the seat.
No!
these orange lines, or even this one. Grab your ball. Go sit on the seat.
Go Milo! Go Milo! Go Milo! Mama, paw pass.
Yes.
Paw pass. What pass? Why do I have to stay?
Go sit with your drink. Whose turn? Yours? Okay.
You got 3, bud.
Good job. Hold on, I'm just holding your hand. It's Daddy's turn.
So far, I have 20.
He mastered it. Huh?
Bowling works.
What? What?
I don't remember if that's it or no. I don't remember how bowling works. Let's see
Look,
now.
I'm winning. I'm winning.
Actually, I am now, but anyways, Milo,
My
you're doing
turn?
better than Milo. You're doing better than Milo and Mom, so.
What?
Now it's my turn.
Is what it is.